So for this week's crowd control story, I actually have the live footage of when it happened. And what it was I was at a Buffalo Wild Wings and I was talking to the waitress, and you know the waitresses they're paid to be nice to you and to flirt so they can get a better tip and stuff like that. Well, it was dead. It was relatively dead, and our waitress was hanging around our table a little bit. And I pulled out the invisible deck in plans. This was all pre-planned to win a free dessert for my friends and myself. And so before I go into it, I just want to share some of the things that I was thinking while it was happening. She told us, the waitress, Nanette, told us that she was going to be getting married in June. And so I used one of the weapons of influence on her during the trick, and it comes to the point when I spread through and the one card's face down, and I say, now if that's your card, then you'll let me come to your wedding and do magic for everyone. You'll pay me to come to your wedding and do magic for everyone. She was like, oh really? I was like, or if that's too much, you'll just get me a fudge cake. You'll just get me an ice cream fudge cake. And what this does, it's one of the weapons of influence in this book that I'm reading right now. And basically, if you give someone an option or a choice that you know they won't accept, it makes the real thing that you're looking for seem significantly smaller and not that big of a deal. There's an episode of South Park where they say the word shit 168 times, I believe. Either that or 162. And when they were creating it, Matt Stone and Trey Parker originally had it in the script to say it 2,000 times. They met up with the Comedy Central board of directors, and they asked Matt and Trey, hey, how many times do you want to say it? We want to say it 2,000 times. And Comedy Central was just like, what? We were thinking maybe like 2 times. They're like, no, we got to say it at least like 1,000 times. This is a big deal. And they started to go back and forth like that, just like you would exchanging gold and stuff like that. You overshoot it because you know they're not going to accept it, and then they got what they really wanted, which was 168, which is still a lot of times to say it. But if you do it too obnoxiously, then it could backfire on you, and they just might think you're disrespecting them. So keep that in mind. And but other than that, that's the only really thing off the top of my head that I can think of as far as trying to get what you want or to manipulate people. And it's just a weapon of influence. That's what it's called. And also, the way I brought about the trick, you can even hear me say it. I'll say this a lot because you guys are just like, how do I just show some stranger a magic trick? Like, you want to see a magic trick? Well, in here, I'm just like, hey, I want to try something with you really quick. Is that okay? And they're just like, okay. And then you can just lead right into it without saying, oh, this is a magic trick that I'm about to show you. Because now that you've said, hey, can I show you something really quick? I want to try to use you for something. Can we try something? And they agree to it. Now they feel committed to let you finish and see whatever it is that you're trying to show them. And so other than that, just enjoy this video. And try to break down other little subconscious things that I may have done that got this to all work out and ultimately got us a cake dessert. It was a $5 dessert that we got for free because of this. Remember, fair trade is a fair trade. Also, make sure to comment on the video, give a thumbs up to my buddy Joe Nash for his silly faces that he makes throughout the performance. Better yet, subscribe to Joe Nash at youtube.com/keysomething. He's got funny tutorials. He's a funny guy. He's one of my best friends. So check his channel out. Throw him some likes, some favorites. Subscribe to Key Something. And make sure to follow me on Twitter at Jericho120, Facebook.com/DisturbReality. Go to DisturbReality.com. If you have any personal crowd control stories that you want to share with me or anything that you guys have done to get free stuff or something cool like that using magic, feel free to email me at howtodisturbriality@gmail.com. Be inspired to learn and aspire to disturb, and always rise above. I want to try something. Okay.
Is it recording? Yeah.
So like you creative imaginative person. Or are you more logical, analytical, break things down?
Okay, I'm just being
now. So what did you say?
Are you more a creative, imaginative type person, or a logical, analytical?
Probably more logical.
Okay. I want you to picture yourself going into like a 7-Eleven or a store, buying a pack of cards.
Okay.
You know, break the seal, take the cards out, take the jokers out, shuffle the cards up, put it all mixed up, spread through the deck, and take out any card that you want in your mind. Not the ace of spades, though, it's too common. Alright? Turn it upside down, put it back in the deck.
Okay.
So now, even if you shuffle it up, you can still spread through and there's one face down card, right? What's the card that you turned over? What is it?
2 of diamonds.
2 of diamonds?
Yeah.
So it's in here the whole time. If that's the 2 of diamonds, you should invite me to your wedding to do magic for everyone.
Oh yeah?
Or, if that's too much, you should just give me a chocolate fudge cake.
Do you want me to grab it? No, it's not. How did you do that? Are you gonna tell me?
I'll trade you the secret
For chocolate
for
cake?
chocolate fudge cake.
Okay, you gotta tell me first.
No, that's not fair. Worth way more value. I will tell you the secret though.
You gonna tell me? Promise?
Promise.
Okay. I'll get you your chocolate cake.
I told him that trick. It's all me.
That's how you get some free dessert somewhere. Now you have free food. Now you can share with all your friends, and everyone loves you.
How did he do it? There you go.
Look at this. Beautiful. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Now you're gonna show me?
Can I enjoy my delicious
No.
dessert
No,
first?
you gotta show me
We'll
first.
show first.
I can't show you guys.
Fine, I'll look away. I'll go to the bathroom. I have to use it.
Okay, I'll take.
How about I film?
Fair trade is a fair. No, I can't do the reveal.
What?
Fair trade is a fair trade. I'll show you the secret.
I must have just told this room. I want it to go in my mouth, and I want you to see it.
So if you're doing this kind of stuff, make sure to share with your friends. Share your knowledge and your experiences.
How are we supposed to keep our germs away from each other?
It doesn't matter. I'm clean.
I'm not.
Then you don't get any cake.
I'm kidding. No soup for you. The rash is gone.
Make sure to share with the people you love. Love you guys.
Love you too, Evan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you. Seriously, we should get donut holes later.